Hello and welcome to a demonstration of the Doge WMI Scripting Server to delete a remote file and stop a remote process. So this uses a VB script, very basic VB script that runs on most administrators' systems, and it uses WMI. So all of the WMI rules apply, where we have to have remote access through the firewall, and also we need to be able to run as administrator on these remote machines. So this is the scripting server web page here, and this is running on my local machine, so let's move that aside for now, and let's take a look at the remote machine. So on this remote machine here, we're going to have a new rad.exe process, radstgrq. That's going to start up, and we're also going to have a new file here called ZTIMEQ.EDM. So we want to delete that file because that file is going to contain syntax that will restart the process on system reboot. So we want to stop that from happening. So let's go ahead and start our process. And so in just a few seconds here, we're going to see our process starting up. We've already see that we have a new object, ZTIMEQ.EDM. And here we have the running process, radstgrq. Let's go ahead and bring over our scripting center. Bring it into view here. And let's scroll over to the process section. And so here on a single device, we want to stop a process. So let's go ahead and give it the remote host name and give it the credentials. These need to have administrative rights. And let's execute. And let's keep our eye on the radstgrq over here. And that process is now gone. And we do get a pop-up here on my other desktop here. It shows that we have completed the task. So we are still left with this problem here, the ZTIMEQ.EDM. So we need to delete that file. So let's go to our delete section. And now on a single device, we want to delete a file by full path. So again, we're going to give it the same credentials. And we're also going to give it the path and file name here. Now let's go ahead and execute. And that file is now gone. And again, we have a pop-up that says we have completed the task. We do track what we delete, or anything that we run here in this scripting server. We do create output files that we can then reference for historical purposes. I'm just going to open up this MTail program here, and so let's bring over our process stop. And so here we could see that we performed this action here, and it gives us a time. And also if we do the file delete, we can see that it tells us that we've deleted a file, it tells us the time, and it tells us the file that we've deleted. So we have a record of everything that we perform here in this scripting server. Thank you for watching, and please look for more videos in the future.